Q65 7DF, how to repair, and how to open. So this is this QLED. Okay, today I want to show you how to repair that QLED. It's new Samsung new model, but it's a vertical line in this panel. It's pixel line, but I will show you how to open and how to repair that. Okay, let's start. Okay, my friends, so this is well because we are not professional video maker, but I will show you. Okay, can you zoom on this? Okay, this is a simple blade. You know that blade in this shape. You need that. This is the main equipment for opening this. This is the opening tool. This is simple blade. Okay, I will show you. This blade, this half part. Okay, I make with this blade. It's normal blade. Okay. Now you need to start with that corner. Okay. With this corner, you need to make enter there. Okay. Okay. Now you need to make the support, because if that blade cannot damage you, so I just make that tape on hand, and you can see if I press it there, it's going easy. Okay, so one side is complete and this is the second side. Okay, like that. Okay. Okay. Now you can see. Okay, this is the black, and now your panel, you can see panel is different. Okay, I will take that panel. I will show you how to put on laser. All QLED is opening like that. It's same theory to open that QLED. Okay. Now I need to open that because it's with that panel, it's glued. Small locks. Okay. Okay. Now your panel is free. Okay. Okay. So now this is the panel. It's going for repair. Come, I will show you today. Okay. Okay, I'll show you there is line, but one problem. I need to remove that. Okay. Now you can see from this side, I need the there from home position, because I need to repair that machine is come there automatically. This is the line and machine is coming there. How to come machine is also. Okay, that line I will show you with zoom. Okay, I will show you where is the line, where is the problem. Okay, my friend, you can see this is the line. Yeah, see, this is the line. It's very clear. It's very clear line. You can see is there. Now I will repair that. This is the pixel line. This is the pixel line. Okay. You can. Okay. Now I'll show you how to repair that pixel light. And that pixel, if it's not glowing, then how you can see with laser machine. Okay, this is the laser machine. Okay, now you can see that pixel is glowing and other pixel is off. Okay, you can see very clearly. You can see very clearly there is one pixel only glowing, so that's the line. If you are going anywhere, so you cannot see because panel is, other pixels don't have power, only this pixel it's open, that's why it's glowing. So okay, red, green, blue. Okay, I want to show you with near, with high zoom. Okay, this is the inside story of panel. You can see it's glowing, but that pixel is going power there, that same line is going there. Okay, you understand? So this is the pixel. Okay, 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 this is the pixel. We know where is the pixel. Now we can apply laser there. Okay, okay, so I apply laser there. Okay, and show you more magnification. Okay, now this video is some bigger, but information is very perfect for QLED, how to repair your QLED, how to open your QLED, and this is the laser. Okay, Now I cut that power from there, and I cut from there, this side. Okay. I joined that track with this track because that the two tracks is like that. Middle side is some bad conductor, so I punch there. Each bad conductor is going melting, and that track is connect. So you can see easily that track is connect. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's connect with 6, but I show you. Okay, okay, my friend, you can see that line has gone, but I show you there because it's need to perfectly connect for long time power. Okay, I connect. Okay, now I will show you with cable connect. Okay, now line has gone, but I need to connect that smart connect, but it's on different side. So I will show you on TV. Okay. Okay. First I need to make that laser back side. But you can see very clearly that line you have seen, it's gone. So you can see that line is gone. Now this panel is good. Okay, I will show you in next video how to pack it. Okay.